How do you deal with a habitability problem where the tenant will refuse to let you into the home and then there's not paying rent? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm a landlord's attorney and I'm the landlord warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, let's begin. I had this situation come up where landlord has been dealing with a problematic tenant situation. Tenant has stopped paying rent. But then when the landlord is trying to work out with the tenant getting access into the unit to go fix whatever habitability issue there is, the tenants have been less than cooperative, including but limited to telling the landlord, hey, you're not going to come in my unit, or, the tenants won't cooperate with allowing the landlord or their personnel entry into the unit. Let's say they have a dog that's not friendly to the workers, that type of deal. Just a bunch of, back and forth, runarounds. And the problem is just outstanding. Well, this isn't legal advice, but generally speaking, the way I think of these approaches are you have to deal with the access issue. Again, I've said in other videos before that the landlord doesn't get a free pass because the tenant, you have issues with your tenant or you're having a financial difficulty with the tenant. So what you generally have to do is, if your tenant's not going to play ball with you, you're going to have to do a notice of entry and post that on the door. And there's different, I have videos about how to do that, X, Y, and Z. If your tenant fails to comply with the notice of entry after you've given them lawful notice, then it's time to move forward towards a 3-day notice to perform, warning the tenant, hey, listen, we try to make entry in here. We try to cooperate with you, to just try to work things out, and you're not allowing us in. So if you continue to do this violation, we're going to terminate your tenancy for just cause under California law. And that's how you generally have to do it. You can, landlords, you can do multiple causes or reasons for terminating the tenancy at the same time with the appropriate language in your lease agreement. So it's probably best that you speak with competent landlords counsel to help you navigate that situation, because everyone's situation is different. But I've done multiple reasons for terminating a tenancy and brought those to court at the same time. So if your tenant refuses to pay rent, they try to bring a habitability defense, they're facing another cause of action or another legal grounds for, hey, you failed to let the landlord in as well too. So you're going to have a hard time in court, in my opinion, but every case is different. So hopefully that helps out, folks. Till next time, see ya then. Thanks.